It's Emmett, Clara.
Emmett, won't you come in?
No, I better not.
What's wrong?
I've come to say goodbye.
Goodbye? Well, where are you going?
I'm going away. Well, I'm afraid I'll never see you again.
Emmett.
Clara, I want you to know that I care about you deeply. But I realize that I don't belong here, and I have to go back where I came from.
And where might that be?
I can't tell you.
Well, and wherever you go, and take me with you.
I can't, Clara. I wish it didn't have to be this way, but just believe me when I tell you that I'll never forget you, and that I love you. I
don't understand what you're trying to say.
Clara, I don't think there's any way that you can understand it.
Please, Emmett, please, I have to know. If you sincerely do love me, then tell me the truth.
All right, then. I'm from the future. I came here in a time machine that I invented. And tomorrow I have to go back to the year 1985.
Yes, Emmett. I do understand. I understand because you know I'm partial to the writings of Jules Verne. You concocted those mendacities in order to take advantage of me. Oh, I've heard some whoppers in my day, but the fact that you'd expect me to entertain a notion like that is so insulting and degrading. All you had to say is I don't love you and I don't want to see you anymore. That at least would have been respectful.
But that's not the truth.
What can I get you? The usual?
No, Chester, I'm gonna need something a lot stronger than that tonight.
Sarsaparilla.
Whiskey, Chester.
Whiskey? Emmett, are you sure you know what happened to you on the 4th of July?
Whiskey.
Okay, I ain't your papa. Just don't want to see you do the wrong thing.
Then you can leave the bottle.
It's a woman, right? I knew it. I have seen that look on a man's face 1,000 times all across the country. Well, all I can tell you, friend, is you'll get over her.
No. Clara is 1 in a million. 1 in a billion. 1 in a Googleplex. The woman of my dreams, and I've lost her for all time.
I can assure you, sir, there are other women. I have peddling this barbed wire all across the country has taught me one thing, certain. It's that you never know what the future might bring.
Oh, the future. Oh, I can tell you about the future.